it back to me. All right, you ready?
Don't throw it so far.
1, 2. What are you doing?
Oh, that's silly, Billy.
No hands. 1, 2, 3, go!
Yeah,
1, 2, 3.
That was funny, Daddy.
1, 2. All right, let's do a good one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, go! 1, 2. No hands. 3. Good one. 1, 2. You're being silly. One more, and then we're going to play a little kickball. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. Yeah, I'm doing a good one. 1. Quit using your hands. Silly. You're not playing as good as you normally do. Alright, one more time. Let's get a good one. You ready? 1. Oh. I'm not going to be able to score that goal in 3 seconds. Alright, you ready?
Ready.
1,
Yeah, Kevin.
2, go! Let's kick a home run.
My mom and dad, they're so evil. That means they're French.
French.
French?
Frenchy French.
I don't know what that means.
Ooh.
Ready?
I like the little run in place that happens before the kick.
She's like a striker. She got that right leg ready to go.
Ready with the right.
You can't kick a home run. It's a foul tip. Let's go back.
What now are we playing, Daddy?
Kickball.
Kickball. Strike one. Back to work, soldier.
Alright. Let's kick a home run.
Oh. Whoa! Very chesty. Chesty cable. Oh.
I don't think you can kick a home run.
Now I can kick a home run. If you can just stop saying that.
Turned on that one, didn't you? Let's kick a good goal. 1, 2, just feet. 3,
Thank you.
go! That's good. Just used your feet. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, go! One more. 1, 2. That's gonna be a tough one. You missed it. 1, 2. The goalie got it. All right, one more. Let's get a good one. 1. Doesn't count. Use your hands.
Oh, Dad.
I'm gonna start tying your hands behind your back.
Ow!
Do a dance for me, Ella. Sing your Barbie songs.
I'm a Barbie girl.
Sing another song.
Walk.
A real song.
Barbie is a girl. I can jump up.
What? One more goal. Come on, let's get no hands, 3 seconds, good kick. Ready? 1, 2. You missed it. Come on, let's get a good one. 1. Almost. 1, 2. No hands. You know how to use your feet.
Oh, feet are not very interesting. It means frying seafood.
1.
Oh, Dad.
And count.
Hey, Ella. Can you do somersault still? Uh-oh. I hear the baby.
It's time to get red books.
That's a good one, teen.